channel, Nomadic Hippie.
Welcome everybody to a quick little short video about my Christmas gift as my cat decides to shake the camera a little bit in this incredibly noisy environment because at the moment of recording it is now 14 degrees outside, so I need to keep the motor of my truck running. Otherwise you'll see breath coming out here. It'll be like I'm in the Antarctic, and I don't want to film this like I'm in the movie, what was that Kurt Russell movie where he was up in Alaska or something like that, and the thing, I think that's what it was called. So I don't want it to be like that. Anyway, so it is Christmas Eve as of recording of this video, and I figured, you know, even though I'm not really celebrating Christmas at the moment, why not get myself a Christmas gift? And that's just what I did. And what I happened to pick up today, well, let me show you. Let's do a quick unboxing. Before I get to it, let me go ahead. Cat, you're gonna knock the camera over. Stop. She is getting frisky. Let me go ahead and do the scissor knife cutting thing here. For some reason, the scissors are kind of leaning to the left as I cut. Okay, I think I did it. All right, let's get to the unboxing now. You stay down there. You stay down there. I swear, I unbox just like a professional. So, due to the fact that I have two YouTube channels, well, that I normally use, this channel here that you're watching this on, also the Superman statue camera in Metropolis, Illinois, where I stream the Superman statue cam. But it's been difficult using a Chromebook to do a lot of the strenuous work, like streaming 10-15 hours a day. And the Pixelbook, as great as it is, the Google Pixelbook, as awesome as that piece of equipment is, it just doesn't cut it because it does get hot after a couple of hours and there's no internal fans. So I stopped by Best Buy this Christmas Eve and picked this little thing up, the Nitro 5 by Acer. Now, my main reason for getting this product out of all the, I swear, I was walking through Best Buy and I didn't know what to get. What? Oh, shush. I didn't know what to get. I was going to update my watch. My Samsung watch battery isn't charging 100% anymore, so I actually went into Best Buy to update my watch. Then I started thinking, the only thing I really use my watch for is tap to pay. I really don't tell the time with it, and I really don't do anything else. Why don't I get something that I could use? That you know, because I want to be a better YouTuber and I need better equipment, because the equipment I'm using now is insufficient. So I went ahead, started looking at laptops, and a lot of them were good. I mean, I've seen a lot of laptops there that were really, really nice. But the issue was, I needed a lot of fans. I want my computer to stay cool, you know, to be able to make sure it's cool. So I was looking at gaming laptops. Even though I'm not a gamer, and I'm not a big fan of computer gaming especially, I figured they have to build computer games or gaming machines to withstand that high intensity whatever. You know what I'm talking about. You want a semi-powerful computer, that way when you do light work, it should breeze right through it. So, whoa, look at this. Look how this thing comes. Wow. This is nice. I am enjoying this. I mean, check this out. This is totally... Yeah, I forgot to turn the camera around. What are you going to do about it? Hey, what are you going to do about it? Oh, okay, before I start taking that stuff off, let me make sure I got everything out of the box here, and I didn't. I got instructions, which is great because ooh, there's something else in here too. I'm sure that's the charging cable and charging brick. We'll look at that later. This is great to have all this stuff because I'm not a Windows user. I'm not an iOS user. I've never had a Mac, and never really delved into Windows after probably 7, after Windows 7. And that's probably the last time I used a Windows device. And yeah, so I don't know anything about Windows anymore. So I'm really hoping I can figure this out. I'm probably going to be watching a lot of YouTube videos myself. All right, so let's yank this cool stuff off. Oh, ooh, that is kind of cool. I'm not going to toss that neither because I might be able to use it for something in the future. And that one, we got 2 of them. Okay, so would you look at it? Comes in a nice case here. This is going to be the first time I'm looking at this. And now the one that they had a 17-inch on sale for $799, but they were sold out. They had a 15-inch on sale for $649, which is the one I got. Yeah, I know it's a lot of money, but I'm looking towards the future. I'm trying to be creative and do things, and to be able to do all that stuff, green screen stuff, external cameras, and different kind of editing, better editing that I have been doing. I'm going to need a normal computer. Chromebooks just aren't going to cut it. It's been fine now. I'm not dissing Chromebooks. I love my Pixelbook. It's my favorite thing I've ever had. But, you know, yeah, the cat agrees with me. You know, sometimes you just need a little bit more horsepower, and that's where this thing comes in. Would you look at that beast? Ooh, ho, ho, ho. Now, that thing screams gaming computer, right? A lot of people would say it's ugly. It reminds me of... Yeah, it looks like Star Trek. Very Star Trek-y. I'm assuming that those are speakers or fan... they have to be fans because there's a fan here. There's 3 fans, it looks like. 1, 2, 3. And then you got the vents. So that must be the vents. The speakers, I have no idea where they are yet. I'm assuming they're not on the bottom. But you got some decent side portage on that side, and you got some, looks like a micro USB-C, at the internet, and looks like a HDMI cable. And also it looks like there's some more air vents. So we got air vents on each side also. So plenty of cooling, I'm guessing. And which is what we need. We need that cooling. In the back here, you do have that's where you charge it, I'm assuming. And have no idea what some of the stuff is. It has a lock, so you can put a key in there and lock it so no one else can use your laptop. It's kind of nice. Very nice. It seems fairly well made. Let's lift the lid open. Dun dun dun. Da 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 da. Woohoo! That thing is a monster. Look at that. So we got a Core i5 on this one, Intel. NVIDIA GeForce GTX, which I guess is the gaming portion of it. Available slots for 2 times, I don't know what any of this stuff means, SSD, HDD. SSD is obviously storage. Very narrow bezel. Killer Ethernet with Wi-Fi 6, Acer nitro sense and cool booster, HDMI port, and immersive gaming audio. Look at that thing. Now, supposedly it has like a 140 refresh rate or something like that, and it is 1080p. It's not a 4K monitor, but supposedly it's decent enough. One little camera up there, looks like it has some microphones in it, and you do get the awesome words right here. Nitro. Not exactly sure if it has any power in it. Oh, it has DTS audio too, but here's the power button. Is there any electricity in there? None? Do you have to hold it? Okay, there's no power, so I can't show you what it looks like. I'm gonna have to charge it, and I don't plan on making this a very long video, so we're just gonna make this an unboxing. I'll give my impressions in a later date, but before we do that, there's one thing I need to do to make this mine. And here we go. Dun dun dun. On goes the sticker. Oh yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, wait a second. Can't tell with the naked eye, but while I'm recording this, I can see this thing could end up being a fingerprint magnet. Oh, yeah, it is. But with the naked eye, you really can't see it. So just don't shoot video of it if you decide to get it. Anyway, guys, until the next time, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. See you soon. Peace out, everybody.